Hi, hello, and good morning, everyone. Newborn investor here, and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully, the market gives us some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. My intention behind these videos is to capture everything live with 100% transparency so that you get a sense of what it takes to be a day trader. Also, it takes a lot from me to record these videos while I trade live. So, if you appreciate the effort and the content, all I ask from you is to hit the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market both SPY and triple Q gapping up. Really good to see it after a long time. Going into market open, I'll be watching Nvidia and Tesla. Tesla is actually red on the day, so maybe we would get some put opportunities, and Nvidia maybe we'll get some call opportunities. Right now, I don't have any levels identified. I would wait for market open to define my levels, and we do have around 30 seconds to market open. Market is open. Tesla selling off. Tesla is breaking the pre-market low. I'm interested in Tesla puts. Yep, 850 maybe. Really good. Waiting. Tesla selling off. Next level of support is around 885. Not sure whether it's going to break. If it breaks, then I'll be looking to get some puts. 8 minutes into market open. No trades as of yet. Tesla approaching the support level that I've marked, 885, waiting for this 5-minute candle to close. Placing 765, I'm in. Then I'll try to add over here. 2 adds, think that's all what I'll get. Just giving it some time. Selling 5. Another 3, 1 at 905, just holding. Selling. I'm out of the trade. I think I managed the trade well. I added around this area, anticipating the low of this candle to act as a resistance. Around 16 minutes into the day, making $1,200. No reasons to complain. I don't know many places in the world where you could make or lose this much money in a short period of time. You just need to be responsible. Don't try for home runs, try for base hits. Make sure you stay long in the market. If you could survive in the market for at least 1 year, I'm pretty sure that you'll be in a good position. Now back to trading. Tesla really slowing down. Volume is decreasing. I think this would be the state of the market for another 2 or 3 months. You should not be expecting big winners in this type of market where everything is choppy and slow. So my idea behind a trade is to get in and get out as quickly as I can. Now, not sure whether Tesla could give me a second trade, but I'll keep watching. Tesla just made a new low. I'll wait. I want to see how this candle closes. I'll look to add around this area, 895.90, then maybe this level, then 910, and finally 920. Watching. Also watching triple Q and SPY. 880 maybe. Placing. I got in at 862. That's my first add. This probably can be the first 5-minute candle to make a new high. If that fails, well, good. $895, I'm placing a sell order. I got half. Selling. Just holding one contract. Selling. I'm out. That was again a decent trade. As I said, I don't want to hold on to my trades longer. I got in at 862. Got some out at 895. Some at 913. Then 915. That puts me up around $1,600 on the day. So 885 area. A huge level of support. And if it breaks, then I think we have more downside. This is tough. There is a tight fight between the bulls and the bears. I'll probably give it another 15 minutes, either to break out or break down. If it does not happen, then I may call it a day. I need both volume and price action. Unfortunately for Tesla, it's gone. I've been sitting around for 20 minutes now, and I could already see things slowing down. The range on these candles are low. volume is fading, and all these things combined suggest me to stop trading for the day. So I'll wrap up my trading for the day. Overall, a decent day of trading, making around $1,700 in 1 hour. I have no reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.